Hey fellas, top of the morning to you. I'm here at the wash tub doing my laundry. Today's Sunday, July 18th. Right now they're in the dryer. I got about 10-15 minutes left, and then I'll go check on them, see if they're done. Yep, after I get done with this, I'm going to pick up my daughter and take her shopping and take her to get something to eat. It's her birthday today. She turned 15. You remember that age, fellas? Yep, just a, typical girl. She's into clothes and makeup. So I'll be going down the aisles that I'm embarrassed to go down, but I'm with her, so it is what it is, right? Probably take her to Golden Corral later on today. Now, when my clothes were in the washer, I went down to the Sonic and got a strawberry shake and took it to my brother's work. Use that time to take them one. I take them a large strawberry shake every weekend, every Saturday. Try to, at least. Yep. Right now, this place requires you to wear a mask. Oh, that reminds me, I got to make sure my daughter's got a mask. My daughter and I might, do a video or something together today. I don't know. We might. She might show you fellows what she got for her Christmas gift. She likes doing vlogs with me. You can look back through my videos and see we've probably done, let's see, 4, I believe, that I know of, maybe 5, somewhere in there. Yep. Or we might go somewhere like go through a drive-through and sit in the car and do one of those mukbang videos. That's where I got the idea from her, is filming and eating. So, we might do that. Yeah, we might do that. Yep. So what's your guys' plans today? Anything? I got my loaner in the shop this morning. My AC went out on me this morning. I got it in there. Thank God I got to the delivery before it decided to get to, the temperature started to warm up, because I got in, they opened up at 6, and I was like, I don't know, around 5 hours or so away, maybe. So I started my day at 2 so I can get there at 7. And I dropped off. So I was out of there by 8 o'clock. And it wasn't as hot then. So I just rolled down the windows and hit the pedal. So hopefully they'll get it worked on, so I can sleep in it tonight. If not, I'll get a hotel room or something, 'Cause I ain't sleeping without AC. Yep. This place is starting to fill up a little bit. Hey, I want to ask is, I was able to get quarters out of here, out of the machine, but I'm gonna save them fucking quarters, because, well, it's like $2.50 a wash, and I spent about $2 to dry. It's a quarter per 5 minutes, and I got 2 dryers going, so it cuts the time in half. Get my clothes dried quicker. Yep. I want to know, is there a coin shortage going around where you fellas are at? So I'm gonna hold on to my quarters. So I spent, I don't know, $9.50. No, I didn't spend that much. What the fuck am I thinking? Let's see, $2.50, $4.50. I spent $4.50 in quarters. So I'm gonna save the rest. So I'll get at least 3 more washes out of it, out of my quarters. So that could be, next 4 or 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Yeah, I don't know what's going on out there, man. While we're running low on quarters nationwide. And now it might be other stuff too, like diamond, or not, dimes, nickels, or pennies, I don't know. But I need my damn quarters for washing clothes and stuff, so. Yep. Yeah, so like I said, when I get done here, I'm going to take my laundry back to the truck, throw away a couple bags of trash, just little bags like that, just stop off at a gas station somewhere and chuck them. But yeah, I'll talk to my daughter and see if she wants to do one of those mukbang videos. So, yeah. Alright, fellas. Looks like it's about that time for me to go in and check to see if my clothes are dry. I gotta fold them and get the hell on out. Alright, fellas, take care. I got shit to do. Talk to you later. Bye.